Welcome to Study Point. Here we are discussing some important question of reasoning section, analogy part. Here first question is raise, demolish, thirsty and question mark. Here in first group given raise and demolish. What is the relation between raise and demolish? See here, raise is similar to demolish. That is, raise is synonym of demolish. So by same logic, what is the synonym of thirsty? Thirsty is the similar to rapid. That is, thirsty is synonym of rapid. So our correct answer is rapid. Here given option A, rapid. Our next question is HCl red litmus, NaOH question mark. So here given HCl and red litmus in first group. So what is the relation between these two? HCl is an acid, so HCl turns the color of litmus to red. So here given red litmus. So NaOH is a base. So base turns the color of litmus to blue. Here NaOH turns the color of litmus to blue. So our correct answer is blue litmus. Here given option A, blue litmus. Our next question is Botswana, Pula, Georgia question mark. In first group given Botswana and Pula. So what is the relation between these two? Pula is the currency of Botswana. What is Pula is the currency of Botswana. So what is the currency of Georgia? Lari. Lari is the currency of Georgia. So our correct answer is Lari. Lari is given in option A. So our correct answer option A. Our next question is (343)(7), then 512 and question mark. So in first group given 343 and 7. So what is the relation between these two numbers? 343 is the cube of 7. Is the cube of 7. So that is 7 into 7 into 7 equals 343. So which number will set on question mark? See here, 512 is the cube of 8. 512 is the cube of 8. So 8 into 8 into 8 equals 512. So our correct answer is 8. They are given option B, 8. Our next question is Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Which the question mark? So what is the relation between first group? Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. So what is the capital of Odisha? Bhubaneswar is the capital of Odisha. So Bhubaneswar is the correct answer. Here given option B, Bhubaneswar.